Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling may have a dirty or damaged gasket that leaks cold air, warming the refrigerator's interior. Inspect the door gasket for damage, using a cloth dipped in warm water to clean away any dirt and debris. If the gasket is ripped or broken, it will need to be professionally replaced.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Typical causes are: 1. The door is left open frequently. 2. The condenser coils need cleaning. 3. The door doesn't seal against the refrigerator box. 4. The cold control is set too cold. Or 5. Something is blocking the flow of cold air inside the fridge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.